Minista wa githomo Professor George Magoha ni athiete na mbere na mihango ya guthurima waki wa irathi njeru cia CBC o riria arutwo a grade 6 matanyitwo guikara kigeranio kiao muthia-ini wa mwaka uyu. Akiaria ri kaunti-ini ya Siaya thukuru-ini wa thekondari wa Obabo, Magoha ni ahinyiriria arutani kuhimbiria mathomo ma practicals magithomithia arutwo niguo gutigirira mari na ugi to wa kuhituka igeranio tu no makahuthira magietha mawira marikia mathomo.
You are teaching a topic like photosynthesis, go with the class to the bush and make them understand that as this photosynthesis is going on, oxygen is being added to the air, carbon dioxide is being taken away, and so on. They will never forget. If you go the way 844 wants, you put your leg in cold water and you just read, today it is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, you want to say it is this and this. You try to cram the way it is written in the book, you are a stupid idiot because you won't understand anything.
Magoha ugite na banene ya arutani makoretwo magithomithia arutwo kuhituka igeranio, akiuga mutaratara mweru wa githomo wa CBC ni uguteithĩrĩria na njĩra nene hari kuongera ugi kuri arutwo gukiringithanio na uria wa 844.
Like I said, do they get newspapers in this school? Head teacher, do you get newspapers for them?
Yes, I do.
Do they read? Do you encourage them to read them?
Yes.
Because the exam is there. It is right there. I ask you about the Senate. How does the Senate work? What is the value? How is government in Kenya organized? Things that are actually you are living with on a day-to-day basis. And they are in the papers. Now there are schools where they don't even allow the children to look at the papers. You go to the library to read. The teachers should have more of the children outside to contextualize what they are teaching them. It makes a lot more sense.
Na niguo gutigira nginyagia arutani mari na ugi mathomo-ini ma practicals, Magoha ni oritie arutani anene guthurira mubango wa guthomithia arutani niguo magakinyaniria gikiro kiria kirabatarania.
We have excellent teachers in Kenya, all of them. The best are the primary school teachers, maybe because especially the ones doing CBC, they are excellent. They are next to God because they are there. And since it is learner-centered, the teacher is always there dealing with the child. For the other teachers who are giving the 844 syllabus, the 844 syllabus was examination-oriented. So I can't blame the teachers.
Ihinda-ini o riu Magoha ni arutĩire mukana ene kandarathi aria marekururia waki-ini wa irathi cia CBC akimoria kurekereria wira uyu ihinda-ini riria riagiriire.
We have the SECIP classrooms, which are almost 1,000. I have seen a dysfunction, some kind of slowness some kind of sloppiness with the SECIP classrooms and labs, which started earlier. And I want to warn the contractors without any fear of contradiction that those classrooms and labs must be completed on schedule, because we are the ones in government now and we want to be accountable to ourselves.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Wainaina wa Kiarie.